Reading Pioneers presents by Marc Brown, Arthur's Valentine. Someone was sending Arthur Valentines, and Valentine's Day wasn't until Friday. They were all signed, "Your Secret Admirer." It was a real mystery. Who was Arthur's secret admirer? It might be Fern. It could be Buster playing a joke. Or maybe even Francine. She was always teasing Arthur. Arthur hoped it was the new girl, Sue Ellen. On Wednesday, Arthur found a new Valentine. Apples, bananas, peaches, a pear. With a face like yours, you're lucky I care. Your secret admirer. P.S. In your lunchbox, you'll find a treat. It's just for you, and it's extra sweet. Arthur hoped it might be chocolate, but at lunch, he found this note. Candy is sweet, lemons are sour. I'll be watching you the whole lunch hour. Arthur looked at Sue Ellen. She smiled. Thursday, everyone made Valentine boxes. Arthur decided to make a special card instead. When everyone mailed their Valentines, Arthur put his card in Sue Ellen's box. Then, when nobody was looking, Arthur hid the Valentines from the secret admirer in his coat pocket. After school, Arthur took off his coat to play soccer, and all of the Valentines fell out. Everyone laughed. Buster called him "Lover Boy." "Hey, Hot Lips!" shouted Francine. Arthur left when everyone sang, "Arthur and his girlfriend sitting in a tree, Kissing. First comes love, then comes marriage, then comes Arthur with the baby carriage." The next morning, Arthur said he was sick. "You don't want to miss the big Valentine's Day party, do you?" asked his mother. Arthur went to school. "Eek! Who sent this mushy Valentine?" said Sue Ellen. "It's signed Arthur," shouted Buster. Everybody laughed. "Arthur loves Sue Ellen," everyone sang. After school, Arthur wanted to be alone. On the way home, he climbed up to his treehouse. There he found another Valentine. "I love you in London, I love you in Rome. Look in your mailbox when you get home. XOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOXOX. Your secret admirer." "Aw, gross," said Arthur, and ran into the house. "I believe this is for you, Arthur," said his mother. "It's a love letter," said his sister. Arthur went to his room. There was a movie ticket in the card. "My love, tomorrow is the day we meet in row 3. You in seat A, me in seat B. Your secret admirer." On the card, Arthur saw a smudge. He looked very closely. Something had been erased. There was an F, and an R, and an A. FRANCINE. The next day, Arthur had a plan. He ran to the movies so he wouldn't be late. He found row 3. He sat in seat A. Francine smiled at Arthur. "So you're the secret admirer," said Arthur. "Good guess, Four Eyes." "Close your eyes," said Arthur. "I want to give you a kiss." "Really?" said Francine. "Close your eyes and count to 10. "Okay," said Francine. "Arthur, can I open my eyes yet?" asked Francine. "Arthur?" Thank you everyone for joining us today and reading along to the story of Arthur's Valentine. What did you guys think about the ending? I think Arthur was very clever giving Hershey kisses to Francine. Comment below your strategies when deciding what type of gifts you give to your Valentine. If you like this story, click the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell to keep up to date with all future videos being uploaded by Reading Pioneers. If you would like to have a story that is one of your favorites uploaded on this channel, feel free to comment below your suggestions or even email contact@readingpioneers.com. Arthur is one of my favorite series, and so, until the next upload, here are a couple of other Arthur videos that you may enjoy as well. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us today. And, as always, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.